Good morning, guys. So today is Monday, so I have bulk order for hair bonnets and scrunchies. So right now I am dressed up. I want to go and buy the things I need. I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog there, but if not, when I come back I'm going to show you guys like little things I got. I have some things, but just to make up to the ones I need. Okay, I will take you guys through the process and wish me luck, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is SCRUNCHIES. So today I am bringing you guys on my machine. Like, I know some people doesn't know that I make clothes, so this is my machine. So you guys can see the name, Madam Singer. The highest is the only thing that occupies the largest space in my room. Like, not really the largest space though, but it would have been somewhere else. But let's just do this. Okay guys, so today I want to make some scrunchies and bonnets for someone who have already booked for it. So I wanted to show you guys what I got, because when I was leaving in the morning I wanted to carry you guys along, but I couldn't make video on the road. This YouTube thing, you have to be very shameless to do it, but I'm still not shameless yet, but I will still get there. So guys, the first thing I want to show you guys is this fabric. This is called satin. Oh my god, anybody that knows me know that I am in love with this color. I just saw it and I picked it, so I can incorporate it in any clothes I want to sew, or maybe use it for these scrunchies or hair bun, or whichever one. I don't know yet, but I'll still show you guys. So this is the first one. This one here is about, let me even check. Let me check the measurement. Anyway, this is about 1.5. Then another thing I got, you guys should ignore my phone. Anyway, another thing I got is this one. I don't know if you guys know. This is called safety pin. Can you see? Yeah, safety pin. So this one is basically for passing the elastic. I'm going to show you guys the elastic in a minute. Like passing the elastic through the bonnet. It will go around the head like this, or maybe scrunch. That's what will actually hold the hair. Secure it properly. Then this one, guys. This one is onion velvet, just like exactly what I'm wearing, for different colors. Yeah, this one is nice. And this one is about 2 yards as well. 2 yards. It's called onion color, and also a velvet. So this one, I got 2 different sizes of elastic. This is not even up to an inch, but this is like ½ inch. This one is not even, just a small size, but this one is like ½ inch. So this one I want to use it for the hairband, and this one for the scrunchies. Okay, I'm going to carry you guys along. I have my scissors here. I have everything I need actually. So I'm going to show you guys how it turned out to be. Just stay tuned. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Let me grow my So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I beg you, please subscribe. Okay, just boost my morale, so that I can keep doing this all the time. Okay, I really love to make videos, so subscribe to my channel. I'll show you guys the procedure, even if I'm not talking during when I'm doing it, just not to make mistake. I'm going to do voiceover and still tell you guys what I have done. Okay, catch you guys in a minute. Anyway guys, so what I have here now is like my old fabric, because honestly I've not done this before. That's what I have here. Then the width is going to be about 5 inches. Yeah, 5 inches from here. So I'm going to take the measurement. This one is my chalk. I would have done this thing on the floor because my table is not so big, but I don't know, you guys have never seen it, but let me just do it again. I'm going to take the 5 inches down to the 45, then cut it all out. I wish you guys can actually see what I'm doing, but I'll show you. I'll show you. Guys, I hope you guys are with me. Because I don't have a long table yet, that's why it's taking this time. Don't worry, when I get a long table, it's going to be more fun, okay? Let me just, I'm going to connect the line. I'm going to connect it. So guys, see what I did. Let me show you guys. So, see what I did. I don't know if you can see the line. Okay, this is the line. So, this is 5 inches, the width. Then the length is 44. I use 44 instead of 40, just in case though, for caution's sake. So I'm going to cut it out. So the line is just serving as a guide so that you don't overcut. So this is the one I'm going to use. Look actually small. This is the one I'm going to use, guys. So yeah. So what I'm going to do now is to fold. You fold it like this. You fold it like this, guys. Then take it back. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Like, you fold it. I folded it in and take it back. You see? You see what I did? You see? Like this. Then I'm going to run a thread downwards. Like so. Then you can't see me. So guys, see what I just did? I've already secured both of them together. So when you finish, just any excess thread, just try to cut them all out. Like this is what I did. I just secured here all around. So the next thing I'm going to do is to, I think this smartest things to do, let me show you guys. I've not tried this before, but I just want to, I've not tried it before, but I just want to try to know, because I don't have a long stick that can help me, you know, remove. I'm just trying to get one of these out. So let's try something new. So I'm going to fix this here. This I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to fix it here. Then put it in. Try to use it to drag. I'm trying to use it to turn. You know, here is the back of the clothes, right? It's crunchy, so this is going to take a while, guys. You see what I just did? I just used it to turn the front. You see? This is the front now. So now I've already turned it up. I think you guys I hope you guys are really following what I'm doing. So you have to make, you know, this is where we did the sewing. So I did the sewing here. I don't know if you can see. You see, I did the sewing here. So you have to make it to be flat, like in between, like this. So if you have your iron with you, you can just iron it out, lay it out straight, yeah, to just be like this. So the next thing we're going to do, the next thing, you guys remember when I said I was just saying something about the elastic. So we're going to use this one, this is smaller one, then take this one. I'm going to be using like 8 inches here. I'm going to be using like 8 inches from this, the elastic we're using. So the next thing we are going to do is to pass this thing through this. Okay, we're going to pass this through this off. I'm taking out this one, the first one we used. I'm taking it out. Okay, yeah. Then you now put it here, pass it through. I hope you can see. So also, for you to make it to be on a safe side, like let it be really secure, because you can't just use this tiny thing like this to pass through this, because if not, you will get lost in the middle. So the best thing to do is to also do the same thing, the thing we did before, like put it like this, secure. All right, so guys, see what we're going to do. I put one here to the elastic, then I'm going to fix another one just to hold the fabric down, not when you're trying to put the not when you're trying to pass the elastic through the fabric so it does not move. So what we're going to do now is to use one. This one is held, like the elastic is inside here as well. Then you hold it here, just pin it anywhere you want. Then this one can now be in, like you now put this one inside and start drawing it. I'll show you. So you have to keep doing it till you get to the last end, like we're almost there. You see? Our scrunchies is getting ready. Okay, now so what you would do is to bring out the other. You have to bring out the odd, like you can now let this fabric go because the work is already done. You can let it go. Then bring out these two. You can actually let the two pins go as well, but don't let the elastic to run it. Like you have to hold it strong. Then you have to come and tie both of them together. You see, secured. Now this is how the end is going to look like. So if you remember the first time we started, we turned here. See, it would have been like this one, would have been like this, but we turned it in, if you can remember. So somehow it's smooth, like this. So you have to fix this rough part in here. Well guys, it's when you're making your own, you can make it to look much more better than my own. I'm just showing you guys. You can even do this with your hand needle at home. So guys, this is how it's going to look like. You see, like so, very smooth. You won't see the edges popping out. I'm going to trim this one out. So you're going to go to your machine and run. So guys, look at it. Look at what we have. This is our scrunchies. You see, very easy. Like, anyway, you have to remove all the unnecessary thread hanging. You see, yes. Oh my god, guys, did I try? You guys will rate me. Like, let me tell you guys a secret. Are you ready to hear? Guys, are you ready to hear? Seriously, are you ready to hear? This is scrunchies. It is my first time trying it out. I know I was sounding like a pro the first time, but honestly, this is my first time trying to make scrunchies. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway guys, you guys should rate me. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll bring more fun stuffs so we can come here, maybe more of machine stuff. If you want to see me do some of my sewing, just just write it in the comment section. Please subscribe, share my videos, and I will see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.